Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, let's open camera. Then in camera, tap on this icon here. Tap open camera, allow, and now let's find, for example, some QR code, this one. And as you can see, as soon as my camera spots it, it suggests me to open the page, which has been encoded to this QR code. So here you can do just open website or copy link. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.